Professional concrete cutting equipment lets a single operator do the work of an entire construction crew. With a diamond blade, it slices through concrete walls and brick just as easily as cutting a cake. The machine makes clean, precise cuts with almost no vibration, protecting the surrounding structure from damage. While traditional contractors rely on large crews and leave behind clouds of dust, one skilled operator with this equipment can finish the job in just a few hours and leave the site clean. This service is in high demand for home renovations, commercial remodeling, and creating new doorways or window openings. Many contractors charge $200 or more per hour, and experienced operators often have their schedules booked months in advance. It's a business you can run yourself or generate additional income by renting the equipment to construction companies. Follow me for more business ideas, hidden opportunities, and innovative ways to build wealth.